Hi, so I'm here at Chequered Flag today with the lovely Robin. Say hello, Robin.
Hello.
Hello. I'm doing one of the DIY workshops today. I've got a few bits to fix to the bike. Got some sintered brake pads. Not a clue how to put those on. We have got some brake levers and clutch levers, and we've got a little crankcase. So yeah, she's had a few little bits of damage over the years. So yeah, she got home and got dropped on a slope and was looking a bit worse for wear, but hopefully we'll make her look a bit better today, and Robin's on site to give me a hand because I probably will need it. Wish me luck. Brake pads, I think they definitely needed replacing. Great, I can come in and DIY shop and get some help with Robin here at Chequered Flag. So if you want to do a little bit of DIY on your bike and you're not quite sure how to do it, this is a great little thing to kind of do. Book yourself in a little DIY workshop. You've got Robin on site who can give you a hand, and you can kind of do it yourself. So yeah, it's just building your confidence and stuff up in it. But yeah, great, I'm glad I come here. So let's just show you these guys. You can see like the difference between mine. These are my current old brake calipers, you can see. So yeah, pretty corroded, pretty rusty. And Robin has some newer ones here, which they kind of should look like, but they absolutely don't. So these are the ones that Robin has. So yeah, as you can see the difference. Yeah, they're quite bad. So we're going to give them a quick clean up.
Problem you have is using aggressive cleaners like solvents. It can affect the seals. So the safest way is to use just a soap and water. Really well the same stuff as you clean your bike with. Then you're quite safe. You've got brake cleaner there, but I wouldn't. That takes away all of the grease.
You need all the lubrication stuff, sure. It's just like my muck off and stuff that I tend to use should be fine. Hubby always has a bit of a scrubber. It looks like it's coming up quite nicely there, guys, anyway. So there you have it, just a little bit of soapy water once you're about to change your brake pads. Just help those calipers make sure they're nice and clean and not getting stuck like mine have been.
So what we'll do is we'll give that a good flush through, get rid of all the muck off there, give it a wipe over, and then we'll put a little bit of lubrication on it, right, just to seal it up.
You just want some standard grease or stuff,
Well, we use quite honestly just copper grease just to stop it from seizing up. Sure. And that'll protect it as well. So be really careful with it.
Yeah, it's looking quite a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking almost
looking how it kind of should do.
It's half decent now, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you roast dinners on Sunday?
We do, yes.
Roast dinner. You don't tend to need to bleed the brakes, so you're changing the brake pads, providing the calipers up on the way out.
The calipers are alright. We change the brake fluid every, I'd say, 20,000 miles, something like that. Right, so what we do is we then put the new brake pads in.
Ooh. Can you get the bottom there? Okay.
These aren't handed, it doesn't matter which way round they go. We put a little bit of copper grease on there because, as you can see, what happens is that you've got a metal to metal contact, and that's what makes it squeak. Also, copper grease on the end, not the end, and that's why these have got seized up because they don't move. So they've got to move quite.
So on the back and on the sides.
Back on the sides, yeah, just a little bit, not too much because you don't want it going on the calipers. Now these pins, why brush them? Take all the dirt off them, all the corrosion, if they're a bit corroded. Also in threads, clean the threads up. Nicely.
Ooh, nice new fresh brake pads. Beautiful.
And then copper grease. A little bit of copper grease on there, like that. Okay, and then they go back where you took them out from. So, and then the bolts, copper grease on that, on the bolts. Other end, nice and tight. That's it. Nice and tight. That's it. And that one, nice and tight. There.
Hi.
Good. All right.
Yeah, marvellous.
You want camera? Say hi.
And then what we do is with these nice and tight.
Yeah.
Okay. You know that they're torqued up to the right
Uh-huh.
tightness.
Beautiful.
Okay. Check those. Ideal. Ideal. Right, now we push the brake pedal down. Okay, just keep pushing it down, pushing it down, pushing it down. And that's pushing the pads onto the brake disc itself.
Yeah.
So that's it. Then you check the fluid, make sure that you've got enough fluid in there. Okay, which you have. Right.
Brilliant.
Tighten that back up,
Put the case back on.
and you put the case back on.
Yeah.
You right?
Easy as that. So now we're going to replace the crankcase. So as you can see, it's a little bit minging. Got a nice new one to go on, not a yummy one, but it should look a lot better than this. See, the screws need probably a bit of a clean before I put those back in, but we can probably give them a little scrub up and a little bit of grease will do those good. That's it. We'll get there. Ooh. Might need a strong man for this bit. Oh, I've got to do it. Yes. Bastard screw. Bastard screw. A bit of leverage. Leverage. There we go, voila. So I feel a little deflated. I haven't quite managed to get the crankcase bits and pieces off. We can't just have a little generator here, and I've kind of struggled quite a lot getting the screws off. So, you know, good job I'm really here at a workshop with someone who kind of knows more about what they're doing than I do. So hopefully Robin will be back in a minute and he can come and give me a hand with it. So yeah, wash your face. Yeah, definitely needed a strong man. Doesn't me just being a feeble woman. That's why you should never ever drop your bike and let it slide down a slope.
Gotcha.
Little gremlin.
Yeah.
Looks a lot better anyway. Even if it did take like longer and it was a lot more hard work than the bloody brake. Here we go then guys, one new nice shiny crank cover. Get in. So this is my old one. So it was literally just a cover about a week after I had her resprayed and I dropped one on a slope. And she slid down. And yeah, so that was the old one. But yeah, it's looking a lot better. Nice shiny little new crankcase. Bit of a pain in the ass to get it off, but we got there in the end. So the next thing's going to be our levers. It's quite simple. They are looking a lot sexy. So there you have it, bike's all sorted. I've just finished putting these levers on. They're rather quite sexy. Still needs a little bit of work, and there's new handlebars and stuff on her. But yeah, she's looking a lot better than she was. A little bit sexier. Just put some brake pads on here as well, so they're all sorted. And obviously the crankcase that you saw earlier, that's all on there. So yeah, a few little bits and pieces, but yeah, it's looking a lot better. So we're getting there with her. Awesome.